Welcome to Kim Yin Yoga. Today's practice is a quick 5-minute full body stretch and breathe. Come join me on the mat. First up, we're going to find a froggy squat to activate the kidney meridian. You move into the squat that feels right for you. You could be up on your toes or heels flat on the mat. You could find a full garland pose with the isometric prayer in front of you. Or you might have hands on the mat and the spine might be up pretty high. It depends on what feels absolutely right for your body. I'm going to lean it on forward, so wherever you're at, you're going to push the hips up into a forward fold. Now, first, let's go for a good strong stretch of the hamstrings, bending at the hips and bringing the head down towards the mat, tucking it under. Go for the posture that brings the most sensation. And then go ahead and bend the knees and we'll slip into dangling posture. Deep breaths here, and the stomach melts into the tops of the thighs. Everything relaxes down. On my next exhale out, I plant the hands on the mat, widen the feet, toes pointing outward, and I drop back down into that squat. Okay, coming around to the front, deep breath in, hands up over the head, clasp the hands together and flip your basket around with a full deep breath in. And bring the hands down to the head, exhale it out, long and slow. Then look up, deep breath in, stretch up, exhale it out. Fully emptying the lungs as the hands go down to the head. One more time, deep breath in. Hands high over butt. And bring it down to the chest. Now we're going to flip the basket so the fingers are on the other side. And isometric, we're lifting the elbows and pulling apart. Deep breath in. This time the fingertips are up towards the top. Exhale out. Pulling the hands apart, isometric. Flip it again, elbow creases pointed towards each other. Deep breath with the hands in front. Exhale out, hands try to pull apart. Empty the lungs. Last time, flip the elbow creases towards the ceiling. Deep breath in, pull the hands back. Isometric, try to pull them apart on the exhale. Okay, give the hands a good shake out. Next, I'm going to turn it right around so you can see what we're doing here. And it's a reverse prayer. So I'm kind of hitching my heels of my hands together behind and finding a reverse prayer as I open up the shoulder, the back body, the front body. Now, if that's inaccessible, cross your arms behind you. Opening the front body, shoulder blades moving, sliding together, and we take deep breaths here. Filling the lungs, emptying them out completely. Spending more time on the exhale than the inhale as we slow down the heart rate and ease any tension or anxiety in the body. On your next exhale out, we're going to come right around. And what better posture could we do but Vigalasana? So the hips are the epicenter, they're rocking left to right. The chest is rocking, the shoulders are loose, the neck is loose, the feet are fishtailing, and we are letting everything go in this beautiful, active asana. Full deep breath in, And as you exhale it out, the chi zings through the body. Knees come up, feet on the mat, and we're rolling over to the side, up to seated, facing forward. Arms up over the head and down, Anjali Mudra. Thank you for joining me in this quick 5-minute practice. Namaste.